If you want to learn how to upload shorts from your PC, then here is the video for you. So first thing first, in order to upload shorts from your PCs, you have to know two things. The first is your video needs to be vertical, meaning 9:16 ratio. It should not be a ratio that is normally taken by YouTube, which is 16:9. So once that's done, another thing that you need to make sure is that for short criteria, your video needs to be less than 60 seconds. Now, once you meet the two criteria, let's go ahead and upload the short. For that, launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in youtube.com. Get logged into your specific YouTube account and then click on Create. Click Upload Videos. Now here is the place where you select your specific videos. That needs to be less than 60 seconds. So click on Select Files, and you can go ahead, give your video any title that you would like. Once done, you can also write some descriptions, but you cannot add any thumbnail because it is considered as YouTube short video. Now you can also add it to your playlist, but yeah, wait for this to load. Till then, you may go ahead, edit your video elements and some checks. Let's go ahead and publish this time. So click Publish and then close this. Reload your page, click on Shorts. And now you can see your video under Shorts, meaning this has been uploaded as a Shorts. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.